Think of stereotypical movie characters and you are instantly reminded of the brave hero, the goofy friend, the cheating lover, and so many more that enrich our collective movie watching experience. But nothing can quite touch your heart like the tragic movie character. It doesn't matter whether he is good, bad, or simply misunderstood. The tragic character brings the right amount of pathos to every film. We bring you the top 5 tragic movie characters of Hollywood. At number 5 is Carrie. Stephen King's character of a mousy young girl is humiliated by her classmates in the worst way possible. And if that wasn't enough, she has a religious zealot for a mother who locks her up in a closet for penance. It is little wonder that she decides to murder the world when she discovers her telekinetic powers. King Kong is at number 4. The massive ape was busy leading his isolated existence on Skull Island before humans decided to imprison him and parade him as a show-based item. He then escapes to go and meet up with his lady love, only to be attacked by fighter planes and the entire army of the United States. The poor fellow goes down in history as a murderous beast incapable of emotions. At number 3 is Anakin Skywalker. This accomplished Jedi's fall from grace is prompted by misfortunes and tragedy. The murder of his mother and his wife's failing health pushes him over the edge and towards the dark side, transforming this talented young warrior into the feared Darth Vader. His eventual clash with his own son is classic Greek tragedy material. Gollum from the Lord of the Rings is at number 2. It is hard to believe that this disgusting, snivelling little creature was once a cute little hobbit. But then he fell prey to the ring's power, which corrupted his mind, body and soul. He is eventually reduced to the pathetic little thing who speaks to himself and dreams about his precious all the time. Gollum is the living proof of the corrupting influence of the ring. And at number 1 on our list of tragic movie characters is Severus Snape from the Harry Potter series. J.K. Rowling gave us one of the most complex movie characters in the form of Severus Snape. Haunted by his past, Snape tries to help Harry, but always gets mistaken as the bad guy. Bullied and ignored as a child, Snape is hated and feared as an adult, partly due to his obvious dislike for Harry. But when he finally gives his life for the young wizard and reveals how he in fact loved Harry's mother with all his heart, there is little doubt in your mind that he is one of the most misunderstood tragic characters of movie history.